Welcome to my channel, and today I will go to some streets in Belur, and we'll see what you can eat from the veggies. First of all, look at these lovely streets with lovely people. Everybody, not everybody, but almost everybody stop and try to wave to the camera. It is very interesting experience. And this is how they deliver pumpkin on the big but very old truck. So the traffic is nightmare, but I will go to find some veggies which are ready to eat, but it is very dangerous to eat them because of the health and safety issues. So look at them. And today I will see what they've got on sale here near to the church. So can you tell me what you've got here?
Okay.
Just tell me what you've got here. So what it is and how much? What is this?
Star fruit.
Star fruit and
Star fruit.
it's how much you sell for star fruit?
50 star fruit.
50 for star fruit. But why these veggies are dangerous? First of all, you don't know how they wash the knives. Maybe they wash it in the puddle. And what is? I never saw it before.
Hambla.
Hambla. It's quite sour, yeah?
Nallikai.
Sour, yeah?
Okay. Cucumber.
Just normal cucumber.
Kannada Sautekad.
Yeah? Secondly, look at these flies crawling around the veggies, so this is very unhygienic. And the top of the bottle with spices looks not really clean. So that's why it's very, very dangerous to buy pre-cutted veggies to eat now.
Mango.
Yeah, mango.
Mavinkai.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what is in this bottle?
Mango, this is our
Nallikai.
Yeah. No, this bottle.
Kara.
Just spice, yeah?
Spicy.
Spice. And what is?
Nallikai.
With spices already, yeah?
spice. This is
If you really want to eat veggies, go to the market and buy whole veggies, uncut it, and then clean it by yourself.
ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನೂರು ಕೊಡ್ತಿರದ
And you slice it
ಸ್ಟಾರ್
already?
ಫ್ರೂಟ್
star fruits and
Yeah, it's like this one, yeah?
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್
Mango,
cutting.
cucumber. Yeah.
this is cutting is morning.
ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್
Okay, so
This
it's.
is mango, this is
Thank you.
Okay, thank
Thank you.
ಹಲೋ
So, and this is jackfruit. So it's only
Jackfruit.
Yeah, jackfruit.
ಹಲಸಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು
You told you after.
ಕನ್ನಡ
Yeah.
ಹಲಸಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು
Jackfruit. No. Okay, thank you.
Told you after.